Hi, Sophia. Happy Sunday. Sophia, this is not like any other Sunday when you have pancakes and you have fun with the family and you go out. It's a different Sunday. It's a Sunday when the whole world is rejoicing the spirit of motherhood. It is the happy Mother's Day today. So, you would wonder why there has to be a special day for mothers. You meet her every day. Why you have to create something for her by way of a card or bring flowers or cook something for her? There's a whole history behind it. So, to begin with, what mother means to you? Just count on your fingers. She's a mother, she's a cook, she's a chef, she's a doctor, she's a nurse, she's an advisor, she's a friend. She consoles you when you are sad, she makes you cheerful when you are happy, she shares her joys with you, and everything else that can be perceived as the task that all human beings do, including gardening, for example. So, once again, very happy Mother's Day to you. Sophia, the Mother's Day has always not been there, as I mentioned to you. So, I'll tell you a bit of its story. It started with a girl called Anne Jarvis. Jarvis was in US and she loved her mother. I think probably her mother was a priest, and after her mother's death, she thought to make her mother in a way special. So she wrote letters to the President of America, the governors, all the influential people that mother is the most important part of our society, and we should dedicate a day when we recall the contribution of mothers. You would be surprised. There would be maybe your friends who do not adore their mother as much as you do. But fact of the matter is, the mother is the most invaluable part of our life, and she is the bedrock of our growth. She is the light that leads us to the dark and bright patches of life. So Anne Jarvis ultimately succeeded, and I think it was year 1914 when the President of America and various governors in the states, they accepted today's day, that is May 10th, as the Mother's Day. So with this also there were movement in other parts of the world. For example, in Nigeria there was a famous fighter lady who created a whole movement, and then in Ethiopia and Europe, then it has become these days a day when we all celebrate mothers and we pay tribute. My mom is no longer there, but I pay my tribute every year on Mother's Day for all the great things that she did for me. In gratitude of our mom's contribution to our lives, I think it is a day to celebrate her. I hope you will do something special for your mom. You may have already created a card. I know you are very fond of making cards, and your mom is also fond of getting and giving cards. Sophia, I don't know exactly how people celebrate the Mother's Day these days, but when Mother Day began, people used to wear a white flower called the white carnation on their garments to express their love for mothers. These days we have wonderful other ways of doing it, and maybe roses are more prominent these days than the white flowers. Anyway, here is the Baba task for you. The first Baba task is hug your mother tightly, kiss her on the forehead, and say, I love you, looking into her eyes with as much love as you can pour. Baba, task 2 is on your notebook. Write today what your mom means. I know you love your mother very much, and your mother also loves you as much as there are stars in the sky. And write what moments you remember, which were very, very unforgettable moments with her, and all the good things that she means to you. And I will see this when I visit UK next. Meanwhile, remember, we all love you and we all look forward to spending time with you. Till we meet, bye bye.